Hello guys, today we learn how to insert a node at beginning in linked list in C program. For this, we have required Visual Studio Code, MinGW compiler, and C++ extension installed in Visual Studio Code. When we talk about insertion of node at beginning, means we have already created linked lists. You can see in the diagram like I have three nodes which value 3, 5 and 8, and their address assumption is 1001, 1002 and 0, that is the last nodes, and heads address 1000. Now I want to insert a new node at this beginning, so let us see how can we. For inserting a new node at beginning, so we have followed two things. First, we need to write here address of the head, means 1000. And second, head address will be new node. So what will we do next? New node, next pointer equal to head, means head value. Here you can see head. Head address means 1000 will be right here. One will be pointing to this address, pointing to this, means this will be becomes point to this, and this link will be break. And now second point is assign the value of address new node to head. So this will be pointing head, and this value will be cut, and this address head will be 900. So here you can see, if you have any slice for the structure node like integer data and structure node next pointers, and also define object of this like structure node, head, pointer, new node pointer, and temp pointer. And creating a new node or allocate a new node. So you can define new node equal to new node equal to structure node pointer, that is casting types and malloc size of struct node, memory allocation dynamically. And now I want to insert the node from the user input. So simply we write here printf, please enter the data value, and scanf %d and ampersand new node hyphen right angular bracket and data. So we will get this value from the users, means to enter from the users, and second node means new node will be created value 2, and assumption address of this is 900, and there's program like new node hyphen and right angular bracket next equal to head, means assigning the new node next address of head, means what address of head is 1000, so 1000 will be right here, and after that one new point will be other next point will be assign the value of head equal to new node, means address of this value 1000 will assign head. Now assign the address of new node, means 900 to heads. So this way that will be linked as singly linked list and insert a new node at the beginning. So you can see here how can insert a new node at the beginning. Simply already we know the creation of node and this value, and simply I have done only two lines here. New node next pointer assigning to head address of assigning to new node, means this 1000 will be go here, and head equal to new node, means assigning the new node of address to heads. So this way this will be inserted node. Now how to see it in the program, let us see. Open Visual Studio. Let us see we have include function stdu.h, include htleave.h, and include connew.h. Here I write void main curly braces. Now here represent a node of single list. How can do that? Structure node, integer data, then structure node next. Means node next point to the next node in the element. Now represent the head and tail of single list. We can create here a object of node like structure node. Define a variable of node like structure node, head, new node, and temp. Also we have define a temp pointer to swap the value of new node. Now then head equal to 0 or null. Now I have take the input from the users like integer choice, while choice, create a new node. How can we create a new node? New node, structure node pointer, mean typecastings, and then malloc size of structure node. Here define the dynamic memory allocations of the structure node. Now take the input from the user. So simply what we can write here, print enter the data value. Scan a percent the new node, m% new node hyphen right angle bracket data. So this will take the input from the users and new node will be created from the code. Now also need to assign the value of this new node. So then what we can do that take some checks like if head equal to 0 means if list is empty, both head and tail will point to the new node. In the case of no node will be created, so simply put head equal to 0 or null. Then we assign a value like head equal to temp equal to new nodes. If already you have created node, so this part will go else part. If head not equal to 0, then it will go else part. And new node will be added after tail, such that tail next will point to the new node. Means already if already you have added a new node, then what will be next node will be added means data next equal to point to this. So this way we can write here code temp next assigning the value of temp equal to new node. So you can write here temp next means temp next equal to assign the this value. So pointing to the next node means new node, and new node will become new tail of the list and temp equal to new node. Now temps will become new node. Here you can write here printf do you want to continue press 1 otherwise 0 and scan fd percent d choice and choice m% choice, and here you can put here for last node new node next pointer will be 0 or null. So here I am pointing the value. Let us consider you have first time in let us consider first time you insert any node like this one, first node like its value 3 and 1000. Then if insert second node at value 5, indicate that this tail will be 0 or null. So here I am writing new node next means new node next pointer to this tail will be 0. So it's from this code you can see here you can create a linked list until like you put here while loop like choice. You can enter 2 3 4 node in the linked list dynamically, and last uh, tail will be 0. A days of tail will be 0. After inserting the node, here you save the value temp equal to head checks if the list is empty. Now here I am printing display all the nodes whatever we have inserted in the linked list. So display all the nodes present in the list. I am swapping head equal to temp means address of head to temp and put here while temp not equal to 0 means address of this one. Last you can see here not equals to 0 means our loop will transverse from beginning to end. When we will get 0, the loop will be terminate and it display all the node node values. Like while temp not equal to 0, printf the linked list element is or data you can see percent d forward slash n new for next line, and here you can print temp hyphen and right angular bracket data. So this will print from first to last, and here swapping the value of pointer like temp equal to temp next. So from this code bottom to here we can create a node in single linked list. Now here you can see. Now I want to insert a new node at beginning, so you can see here in the diagram how can we insert. Follow two steps only. What? First address define the head to this new node and where address of new node to head. So now head becomes 900 and this will follow this way. So here you can see insert a new node at beginning. First you define a new node structure node malloc size of struct node means memory dynamic allocations of struct node and get new node and take the input from the users what data element you want to insert. Please enter the value scanf new node data. So we will get the data from the users like you can see here like new node value 2. I have insert 2 and here we can see here new node next new node hyphen right angular bracket next equal to head. Here we are assigning new node next equal to head value of address. So this will be break and address of head will be assigned to this, and this will assign to this will assign the first node of this address. And after that you can see here next line head equal to new node and head equal to new node means address of this 900 assigned to this head. So our link will be follow this 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 way our link list will be created. So you can see head equal to new node and last temp equal to head, we assigning temp head value to temp. And now I want to print all the element in the linked list. So what we will write here only temp not equal to 0. Only we follow the address of swapping point to address so we can get the actual data. Temp not equal to 0, temp equal to head, assigning of head address to temp, and it will go not equal to 0 means it will go here from last one, and also you inserted one new. So print the linked list element is temp data and a pointing forward like temp equal to temp next. First you print first data, then it will go second pointers and then second data element and third fourth. So this is the program of inserting a node at beginning. Now you can also run and check whether this will running successfully or not. Now I have run the code. Here you can see, please enter the data value. First node is 3 here, 3 put. Do you want to continue? Press 1. Enter second node like 5. Do you want to continue? Take the user from the input 1 and please enter the data value 3, 5 and last one is 8. Now I want to exit. Do you want to continue? Press otherwise 0. Now you want to exit this from entering the data value to getting the linked list. So now I am exit. So after exit you can see first list element 3, second 5 and the linked list element is 8. Means 3, 5, 8. You have created a linked list, their element like 358. Now here again is asked please enter data value. So you can see here in inserting a new node again it's asking please enter the data value. So you put here like 2 mean this true. Now press enter. So in this code from this code while temp not equal to 0, so you can see the link list element is like 2358 means 2 will be added in the beginning of the list. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.